Hello, welcome to ClassSure. We are happy to have you on board. I am here to help you on how to register on ClassSure as instructor and also create your first course. So let's get started. In your browser, type in classsure.com. It will be the first to appear here. Click on it. On the homepage, scroll down to the footer and look for Become an Instructor. This is a page dedicated to our instructors, for them to know all that there is to become an instructor on ClassSure, with frequent questions and answers too. Click on the Get Started. It will lead you to the login page. If you do not have an account, then you will need to click on the register button. At the top right-hand corner on the registration page, you have two options. One is to register directly with your Gmail or Facebook account or fill in directly with your name and other required details. After registration, you will need to check your email inbox. Yes, the one you used to register, if you registered manually, to get your verification code. After that, proceed from there into your dashboard. Now, this is a dashboard of a student. From there that you can apply to become an instructor. On the homepage, find a Become an Instructor button at the right-hand corner. Click on it. It will lead you to the registration form. Select and fill all the requirements, your name, date of birth, payout option, your experience and all. Afterwards, click on the Send. You will wait for a maximum of 48 hours to get a response of either acceptance into our instructor program or a rejection with a solid reason, so maybe you can try again. If you are accepted, then congratulations, you can go ahead and create your first course. Go to our dashboard. On the right-hand side, you will find the option Course. Click on it, go select New. From there, you can create your first course. There are three types of courses you can create. Live course, where you can use Zoom and others to schedule live teachings. Secondly, video course, this whereby you already have recorded video that you upload or host it yourself. And thirdly, text course. Follow the steps outlined under each section based on course type to complete your first course creation. Now you can submit it for review, which won't take more than 24 hours. Thank you for joining once again, and we all at the ClassSure wishes you a very good luck in your journey as an instructor.